day, my friends. Welcome to Blue Sky Kitchen Plus. And today I'm going to use my Instant Pot Pressure King Pro, and I'm going to make a stew. So here are the ingredients that I have. This has some diced carrots, some diced onions, some bell peppers or sweet pepper, some garlic, diced pumpkin, some beans, some potatoes, some macaroni, and some green plantain chopped, along with some chicken thigh seasoned. So I've got this Instant Pot. I'm just going to put all the ingredients together and put it on stew. These are the dry ingredients. Then I'm going to add a little bit of frozen coconut milk, then some water, add some more water, teaspoon of salt, that is optional, some oil, that again is optional because you already have the coconut milk in it, and a little bit of smoked paprika. So there you have all the ingredients. I'm just gonna pop it in. Let's give it a stir. And I'm just gonna pop it in. So I'm just going to put everything in the Pressure King Pro, the Instant Pot. I'm going to put the lid on. Make sure that the lid is locked in place. Make sure that the vent is on the closed section at the top, the vent here. And at the back here is on the closed section. So right now I'm going to select stew and soup. So I'm going to put it on. Alright, so then It would take probably about 45 minutes total to cook, but about 23 minutes to pressure and another 20 minutes or so till it cool off and I could release the steam. So I'm just going to press stew. It's 20 minutes and it starts right away. It's beeping. So 23 minutes to cook to reach pressure, and then afterwards I'm going to release the steam. Pressure King Pro. So see you in a bit after it's finished cooking. Okay, so from 20 minutes it has reached pressure. So 20 minutes is going to count down to 1 minute and then it will be done. And then I could decide whether I want to leave the delay timer on This is the delay timer here. Or if I want to leave the delay timer on, then the keep warm will remain. But if I do not want that, I could just switch it over, cancel it, and release the steam. And when I release the steam, it will take maybe about a minute or so to release the steam, and then it would be good. So it has counted down to 1. Soon we'll hear the beeper going off. So that means it's done. And all we have to do is release the steam. Okay, so it has come to the end. Okay, since it has come to the end, what I'm going to do is cancel it here. So I won't let the delay timer continue to run because and for it to keep warm, because I do not want it to keep warm. So I'm going to release the pressure. So I'm going to cancel it here. And then what I'm going to do up here is to release the steam. So some steam until this button goes down. I'm going to release the steam. So for safety, I'm going to use this spatula. So after all the steam has been released, this button here is up, popped up. It will actually go down to let me know that it is safe to, it went down, so to let me know that it is safe to actually open up. Okay, so I'm going to open it up, turn it this way. There it is, soup well done. Yummy. Pressure King Pro Instant Pot. Nice tasty soup in about, takes 20 minutes to cook and another 20 minutes to release the steam. Please like and subscribe. Blue Sky Kitchen. Thanks for viewing. If you want to see an unboxing of this Pressure King Pro, check out my other channel, Calabash-green SLU. Thanks for viewing. I'd like to give a special shout out to my niece, Keisha, for making it possible. Thanks, Keish.